This side Siddharth Mukherjee. So today I bring cycles, GAN cycles for you all. Okay, and this cycle is all about cycle below time is important to see change in a trend. Okay, any change in a trend, and that we have to see the 120 month, that is a 10 year. Then we have to see 7 year approx, that is a 80 month. Then 5 year, that is a 60 month, and then 40 month, which is exactly almost 3 years of change. Okay, it's a 2.5 year, 2.5 year, 2.5 year. It's 5 years, 7.5 year, and then 10 year. These are the important points for change in a trend. Okay, let's check that how the GAN is exactly uh, concluded on these things. Okay, mm, let me remove everything from the chart. So let's go to little back. Okay, and we will check that these are the valid point or not. Okay, so we have this corona law. That corona law is exactly we have this is not the corona law. We have corona law below this one. Yes, this is we have corona law. This is our corona law. Okay, so this was the 7500. uh, 7500 is the mark where exactly the bounce happened from the corona low. Okay, and we will check that from here 2.5 year how things happened. So 2.5 year means uh, 2.5 years. So date wise we are into the date of it's 24 March 20, 24 March 20. Okay, so let me give you the calculator, and with this calculator 24 March, wait, I will give you another one, adding dates, date in a Excel. Okay, so we will open the Excel. One blank Excel we will open. 24 March is equal to date, year 2020, month is a 03, and then day is 24 March na? I think it was 24th March. So 24th March, from the 24th March, we will do some calculation. So we will add 2.5 year. 2.5 year means we have to add 40 months. We have to add 40 months. Okay, so 40 months. So what we will do, this plus 40, we will get 3520. Okay, so what we will do exactly is equal to this plus 40. So we will get uh, no, I think it is giving the adding the 40 40 days rather than 40 months. So what we will do exactly is equal to 365 multiply by 2.5 year is equal to how much, 902.5. So we will add this number, 912.5. So we are getting 22 September 2020, 22 September 2020. Okay, so now we will go into the 22 September 2020. We will go and we'll see that what happened and how the trend has changed. Okay, 22 September 2020. It was 14 September, 6 September, and 21, 21, 22. Okay, so this was the trend change. Actual trend change happened from the corona low date. This was the trend change date happened. Okay, so 22 September 2020. And let's mark this area as a vertical line. Mark this area as a vertical line. Fine. So from here you see that whatever the uptrend was there or pullback was there, that pullback got cancelled with this fall, and superbly we have falled almost, you can say, from here 17,650 to 16,700. Almost how many points? Almost it's almost you can say 900 point or 800 point fall happen into the Nifty. This is super fall. Okay, and what we will do exactly, we will mark this high and low. We will mark this. We will mark this. We will take one horizontal line, and mark this area. Fine. So see that when this 22 high and 22 low. Okay, this is high and this is low. We will mark this both area. So above this one, very good bullish move, and this will become very good support, bounced here. And when fall get started, it fall almost from here 17,570 to 17,283, almost 250 point, and then again it fall here from 17,528 to 16,900. See how many points are there? 17,550 to 16,826. Okay, so it's a 700 point fall almost was there. And when it started moving up from this area, it moved 17,700 to 18,378. So like again 700 point moved here. Okay, and 7 is a very important number in terms of numerology. Okay, always remember that 7 is a very important number. Why 7 is a very important number, I will tell you in another video. And so by this way, this is the cycle calculation, and you go with the historical any low or any high, and check that what happened. I showed you on 22 September what happened. And again, that 22 September is what is the significance of 22 September? 22 September, 22 September, 22 September is the 25th day of year Gaussian calendar. 100 days remain until the end of the year. Okay, so from here the trend change exactly happening every year. Okay, so whenever 100 days remaining, this changes will happen. When 200 days remaining, trend change happen. Okay, so these kind of things you have to remember. If you are following the GAN, you have to do the you have to consider this kind of details. Okay, now we will do some other thing, like we have 5 years, 5 year, we will do the 5 year as well. So we will go little back, we will go little back, we will remove these things. So if anyone is looking for indicators, I have indicators which are exactly working for stocks, commodity, currency, as well as uh, into the cryptocurrency as well. You see that this kind of calls I have given, okay, where nifty longs are happening, and you see that how many points you have gained. Again we have made some long here. So these are my calls. You see that exact high point I have say told that this is the nifty divergence area. These are the my calls, these are my calls, okay. Short nifty, okay, long. So these are my calls that I have given previously, even if nowadays also I have given. So we will go little back and we will see that 5 year significance. Go little bit weekly chart, and that is fine. From here we can do the 2017 is there, from here we can do it. So see that we are we are in 2016, and 2016 we have low of nifty 6800, 6826, 6826, okay. So when we exactly uh, when we exactly add 5 year from here, then what will happen, okay. And this is the date of 29/5/2016. So we will go, we will change this 29/5/2016, 29 Feb 2016, okay. Now we have to add 5 years. So for adding the 5 years, what we have to do, we have to calculate 365 multiply by 5. So we have to add 1825, 1825, okay. 1825. So we are getting this is date 27 Feb 2021, 27,000 27 Feb 2021. Now we will go again into the chart and see that what happened 27 Feb 2021. 22nd Feb 2021 was Monday, and go there 2000. Sixteen Feb, 19 Feb, 22 Feb. Okay. Why we are looking these dates? We are looking for the actual. We want to see that any change in a trend, existing trend is changing or not. Okay. And based on the confirmation, we will do it. To 27 Feb 21 is this candle. You see the fall. Okay. You see the fall is this one. And so we have one leap year is there. So we have calculated 365 days. Okay, 364 days also happen when the leap year is there. So there is a difference in the leap year, and every 5 year we have a one leap year. So if we will reduce, if we will reduce one day, one day there, then we are getting this one, this candle 19 Feb, 19 Feb is there. So we will get this line, we will get this line. This is high and this is low. This is high and this is low. So 19 Feb we will take 19 Feb or 18 Feb. You can count as a plus minus one day. You can count it as a plus minus one day. You see that from this date, it didn't make any high for the next almost Feb, March, May, April, May, 22nd, 26th May, 25th May, it came out of this zone. You see that trend has changed. In a short time, it trend has changed. Rather than going upside, it came to downside or sideways. You see that it's in a long range, and we are checking the daily chart. In the daily chart, these are giving hundreds, thousands of points. From there, you see that from 19th of Feb, 18th of Feb, if fall we are counting 15,243 to 16,408, 14,648. How many points are there? How many points are there? You can see that we have almost 500, 600 points are there. Then pullbacks are happening, then again come back, then pullbacks are happening, then again come back. That short term trend has changed. Whatever upside was happening, that upside suddenly got stopped. Okay. So GAN is exactly nothing, that he did exactly some research on Dow Jones, because Dow was the oldest index into the world, and it has a lots of data. And GAN has done research almost in his career. First 10 years he didn't make single money. He was losing, earning, making money and then losing it, making money and losing it. He was become consistent trader and making money after 10 years, after 10 years. Okay. So till his death, till 1940 55 or 56, he got died. So when he got died, he has told that he has he has many trading methods, and on those trading methods he was exactly using the planetary system, numerology, numerology system, and then astro as well he was using. Astro is exactly nothing but the Indian astro. And apart from that, he was using the numerology. Okay. So these kind of things he has explained in his books, and one of the his books was exactly the I'm telling you, book name was WD GANN Master Stock Market Course. So from there I have taken this one. So you can check also this 7.5 year, 80 months, 120 month as well. Okay. And you can see that what is the change is happening there. Uh, let's calculate this one as well. 80 months. So 80 months is again nothing but we have to calculate 80 months. For the 80 months we have to calculate 365 multiplied by 7.5. Okay. So we are getting 2737.5. We will reduce few days, because in a 8 year 2 leap year will come. So we will reduce 2 days. Okay. So rather than 2737.5, we will take it as an a 2735.5. Okay. So again 2735.5. So we are getting 26th August 2023. 26th August 2023 will be the next date when from that low some change in a trend will happen. Okay, so always remember that the stock market, whatever the data it has, this data is remembering their old tops and bottoms. So those past tops and bottoms are exactly uh, creating and changing the trend and creating the new tops and bottoms based on the some numerology. So if anyone want to learn the GAN techniques and GAN methods, you must have a patience to learn those things, and you have to take the time. Okay, so if you so we will 26th August didn't came, so we are not plotting this right now. Okay, but always remember this: when when one sided moves are happening, after one sided move, few days of the contraction will happen. When expansion will happen, then contraction also happen. Okay, so in the current market scenario, we didn't saw any kind of contraction recently. Any kind of contraction is not there. I am expecting a contraction will happen, and that contraction will happen, and this contraction will come 17,910 approx, and then from this area it will again bounce here, and maybe it will cross 18,900 as well. Okay, 19,000, it will go above 19,000. So those kind of calculations I have, but before that it has to take this line. Okay, so if you like the video, if you have really studying my videos, please like and subscribe, so that I will get motivated and will give you more videos. Thank you everyone. My name is Siddharth Mukherjee, and always here to serve you all. Thank you.